Hi, in this video I'm going to demonstrate our recent Android application Birthday Frames album. You will find it interesting if you have problems remembering your favorite people's birth date. This app helps by letting you printing the date to someone's photo and then adding the picture to the contact list. This way you'll never forget it because you're going to see it every time a call is made. Let's launch the application now. Album making here can be done in two ways. First is the manual one, the icon in the middle of the screen, and the second is the fun interactive way using the icon at the top left. Let's start with this one first. This is the fun feature of the app through which you can guess someone's birth date indirectly by asking them 5 simple questions. To show it, let's assume a date. For example, November the 23rd of 1980. The first 3 questions ask for your year of birth. You should select as many tables as matches the questions. In our case, we should select this table and this table. Now we can proceed to the next question. And here, we should not select any table. And we should select the lower one. The fourth question is asked for the sum of day and month figures of birth, which is 23 plus 11, which makes 34. And the last question again, it asks for the day of birth, which we should click on this table, this one, and this one. That all contain 23. Now you can see that after an animation, the birth date is shown on the screen. As well as on the photo. You can choose this icon to add this photo to your contact. Let's choose my number. The photo is now added. Let's have a look at it. My number. This photo is shown whenever a call is made or received, and helps you remember the date. Show it like this. Okay. Let's go back to the application. Now let's click on the manual album building icon. Here we should select photo. Let's say this photo. Rotate it. Yes. Choose frame from 26 predefined frames. Enter the date. Let's say 15th of April 2014. And touch the preview button. You can reposition text using the arrow keys. Yeah. And change the size using T plus and T minus icons. You can even change the color like this. And choose your font of interest from this list. Let's choose the same one. After you're finished with all customizations here, you should select the Save button to save the photo to the album. Let's go back to the main screen and look at the album. Whichever method you choose to make the album, the photos are all shown here. As you can see, clicking on a photo will bring it to the screen, and long clicking on an item brings a context menu for which the first item shows it, the second deletes it, and the last one adds it to the contacts. Another important feature of this application is that you can have a breakdown of the birth dates by month by clicking here. For example, consider that you want to know how many of your friends are born in April. Using this, you can find out, and you can plan, for example, to buy them presents or congratulate them on the birthdays or so on. Now let's go back. These two icons at the bottom are used for adding and deleting photos from contacts. You can see how effective they are by comparing them to the Android built-in applications. For example, let's say we're going to delete an image from a contact without using our application. First, we should select the contact, save my number, select the edit button, select photo, remove, and finally save. Okay, so I'm not going to save that. Let's see how our application does this. Just in 2 clicks. 1, choose contact, click, and you're done. Similarly, you can add any photo to your contact using the left icon. Let's add this photo to add this contact. Again, you're done very easily. Yeah, you see that? Let's go back. By clicking on the settings button, you can select the predefined parameters such as frame, font type, font color, and font size. You can also reset to initial values here. Thanks for watching this video, and I hope you'll be happy using this application. We'll constantly try to improve the application, so your feedback is highly appreciated. Thanks.